Hey friends, if you wish to close all open browser tabs at once in Chrome, Edge or Firefox, then please watch this video. Now for the sake of this example, I will pick Microsoft Edge. Okay. And now to close any tab, you need to press Ctrl plus Shift plus W. It will close the entire window because that's what they say. Close browser tabs at once. So this is how it works. Okay. And if you want to close one tab, then it's just Ctrl plus W. So Ctrl plus W for one tab and Control plus Shift plus W for the entire window. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.